For the main event of the evening,
Pasok.
we have
Ayun, sa inyo. Pwede ba? Go.
go
Yung gusto.
with a special guest.
Tapos last game, yung team ni Aquino, saka ako daw. Sige.
We have a special player of the game, Mr. Russell Pudutan.
Sige, pwede ba? Pasok. Pwede ba? Komento na. Dali. Sayang oras. O, ilan na yan.
Our special game. The special guest, Bando is
Pasok kami.
player of the game. We are now live here at Uncle Drew. Uncle Drew, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Grind after grind, basketball every Saturday, Sunday. Saturday lang pala, sorry. We are now live here for the main event of the evening. This is game number 11, 7 minutes. Brunel. No. This game is brought to you by Sunset View, Diverser, Uncle Drew Basketball Court, and Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Before the start, please welcome our guest, Bidi. Let's give it up for Bidi. Bidi.
Binira.
Sir, a little confrontation with the topic. Mr. Russell is having a topic with Forrest Grant. And there's a special player, Russell Pudutan from Quezon City, Anthony from Quezon City, and Holly Burton. Miss. Before the game starts, please welcome. Let's give it up for the Jabberwockies. Okay, the ball. This game is Boston versus Houston. Okay. Pass the ball, turnover. Early turnover. Following up. What a miss. Following up, Anthony holding the ball. Jason Terry. Pass to. Check. Pass to Check. Check Holmgren. Give me the ball. Number 16. Floater. Miss it. Floater again. Right. Drop pass. Halliburton. Four. Jacket miss it again. Rebound by number 23. Pass to Mr. Russell. What a fast move. Fast food. Pass Bernardo for three. And Francis. You need the ball. Coast to coast. Wow, layup. Wow. Amazing. A special shot. Pass to number 26. Guarded by Anthony. Turnover. Number 16. Turnover number 20. Give me the ball. 16 guarding 16. Russell trying to attack Halliburton. Russell. Side step. It's the ball. Whoa, speed move. Pass to Anthony for three. Miss it again. Cross guard, give me the ball. Pass to number 26. Chet Holmgren for the rebound. Give me the ball. Pass to number 23. Try to pull it up. Go up for three. Miss it again. Number 16. Give me the ball. Try to attack. Attacking Chet Holmgren. Pass to number 0. Halliburton. Miss it again. Ronaldo, rebound. Russell holding the ball. Try to pull the three. Russell. Pass to Anthony. Pass to Bernardo. Russell, try the three. Miss it again. Josh God holding the ball. Holding the ball. 16. Head training. Luwag layup. Luwag easy 2 points. Time remaining 4 minutes and 58 seconds. That shot is working by Bull Castillo. Ang hari ng kapal. And number 23. Wow, another shot. Number 3. Nice shot out of this. Number 16. Getting the ball. Setting the ball. Number 26 for the screen. 26, pass to Francis. Francis for three. Bam! That shot is brought to you by Selecta. Tres Leches Division. Playbook ng Selecta. Chet Holmgren holding the ball. Dribbling to Halliburton. Chet Holmgren. Whoa, what a shot. Miss it. Force guard. Pass to number 13. Turnover. For a layup. Wow, nice, easy 2 points. Easy lay it up. 26. Holding the ball. Dribbling the ball. Right ball up. Jump shot. Missed it again. Bernardo holding the ball. Bernardo holding the ball. Holding the ball.
Oras, kuya, oras.
Oras. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Russell faking. Russell dribbling. Water cross over. Oh my God, Steven! Good shot! Oh my God! Nice. Bernardo missing. Nice 1 minute. Bernardo. Power shot by Bernardo. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Alright, 50 seconds, number 16. And taking ball from coast to coast. Coast to coast. Take a Western album. Oh my God. Nice shot, number 16. Anthony. For pass to Russell. Russell trying, looking for teammate. Seth Holmgren. Gentlemen, pass number 26. 23 for a 3. Miss it. Rebound Francis. What a jump. Look at that. Air move. 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Number 16. Wow, easy. Layup. Seth Holmgren pass to Anthony. Anthony Reyes. The former MVP of Kansas City. Dribbling. Whoa, what a crossover. Whoa, what a move. Rebound again. Pass through. Oh, Bernardo power shot. Power move. Pass to Seth Holmgren. 5 more. Big. Running by. Ali Burton. Anthony rebound. Putak. Russell Angelo. Putak. Wow. Last 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Trust hold the ball for the shot. Nice shot. That shot is brought to you by SM. We got it all for you. Give the ball Bernardo, number 23. Pass to Russell. For 3. Nice! That shot is brought to you by Jollibee. Bida saya. Silakan si shot. Bida saya Shelby Russell. Look at the F. What a fast break. What a fast move by Russell. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Seth Holmgren. Give me the ball. Russell pass to Anthony. Oh, I love this. 26 holding the ball. Pass to Francis. Whoa, what a jelly. Nakuha mo ba yan sa photographer? Jelly niya? Gusto ko sino makuha ng jelly niya. Russell is holding the ball. Dribbling the ball. Russell to Anthony the point guard. The former MVP of Kansas City. Pass to Russell. Trying for 3. Miss it again. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute 59 seconds. In favor of Francis, 18 point, 18-12. Pass to Francis, teardrop. Whoa, that shot, easy, 2 points. Russell, dribbling the ball. Last 1 minute, 45 seconds. Russell, forcing. No bullet. Ooh, what a shot again! That shot is brought to you by Jollibee. Beat up ang shot by Jollibee. Ang Max Saver, sumakto sa Jollibee. Merong mix and match. Russell, Tony, pass to number 23, Bernardo dribbling the ball. Crossing, Halliburton, let it cross over. Let it drop. Number 16, oh, turn it over outside.
Oras. 15 lang tayo. 1 minute.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 3, jump shot. 2 points, missed again. 6-17. Post to post. What a layup, what an easy shot, Tony. Last 1 minute. Seth Holmgren, pull it up. Whoa! 23 seconds. Foul, outside. Brooklyn Nets ball. Last 45 seconds. Russell putting in now. Pass to Anthony. Anthony Reyes, try for 3. Reyes! That shot is brought to you by McDonald's. Lakwato shot. Francis, you need the ball. Oh! Bernardo, give me the ball. Bernardo, give me the ball. Right coast to coast. Last 21 seconds, 20 seconds. Seth Holmgren. Pass to Russell. Hesitation. Oh my goodness, that shot is brought to you by Mr. B. Aldi Sabaw, Aldi Rice. Mr. B. Sulit ang sarap. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.